Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft Outlook 2016 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work in the Outlook user interface. Let's get started. So this tutorial is intended for beginners who are learning Outlook 2016. This is an email application from Microsoft Office, and you will see that it looks a lot like the rest of the Microsoft Office suite. I'm going to go over the Outlook user interface in this video, and this playlist will continue on and teach you a lot of things that you need to know about using this email application. So let's get started. First off, in the top left, you'll see your quick access toolbar. In this toolbar, you could use to undo, or you could add any of these other options here to the toolbar. At the top, you'll see the title bar, which will show your email address, and on the right side, you'll see your minimize, maximize, and close options. Just to the left of that, you'll see the collapse ribbon option, and if you click on this, you can auto hide the ribbon or show just the tabs on the ribbon. I usually leave this with showing tabs and commands since I do like to see the ribbon area. The ribbon area is just below this title bar, and you'll see here you have the file menu, which will take you to your backstage area. You'll have the home tab, which is my active tab. I could tell because it's the same color as the ribbon below, and my inactive tabs are in blue. I have the send and receive tab, the folder tab, and the view tab within Outlook. Each of these tabs contain groups and commands. So when I'm teaching you how to use Outlook in this playlist, you'll never hear me go just click on plugin options because you wouldn't know where to go. Rather, I'm going to say go to the home tab, go to the Cisco email security group, and click on plug in options. Okay, and so the way that we navigate around inside of Microsoft Office and especially Outlook is with commands and groups. So for instance, the new email button is right here. That's part of the new group. Each group is listed at the bottom of the commands. So you'll see in the home tab the new, delete, respond, quick steps, move, tags, find, and so on for your groups. So it's an easy way to navigate within Microsoft Outlook. If I go to the home tab, new group, new email, that's how I could start up a new email. Alright, so that is the ribbon up here at the top. Within the ribbon, if you go over to the right side, right here, you're going to see the collapse the ribbon button. Again, that'll collapse the ribbon down so that you can see more within your email window. If you don't prefer to see this, you could just go to the home tab and then click the little pin right here. And now we'll see that the ribbon is now pinned. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you here is down at the bottom actually, and this is your status bar. Your status bar down at the bottom shows the amount of items that you have selected and if your folders are up to date. Okay, and so that is the status bar. And then along the left side navigation here, this is where you will see your email address listed, as well as your 4 different modules that you could choose from. The mail module, which is all about your email. The calendar module, which is right here, which shows your active calendars. The people module, which is this third one, which shows your address book and your favorites in terms of people. And then finally your tasks, which will show you your tasks for the day. And that's that module right there. By working within this area here, which is your active email, you can see your inbox, drafts, sent items, deleted items, archive, and so on. Throughout this playlist, I'm going to be going over how to do specific things like sending and receiving messages, working within your calendar, adding contacts, deleting contacts, and a lot of other things that you'll need to know for your Microsoft Office Specialist exam. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and if it has, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Again, this playlist will be available on my channel, and again, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to respond to you. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great rest of your day.